A bank not supported error in the Brigit app usually means Brigit can't establish a secure connection with your financial institution, even though your bank account itself is working normally. By the end, you'll know how to identify the cause, reconnect your account correctly, and what to do if your bank still won't link. Start by checking whether your bank is compatible with Brigit. The app connects to financial institutions through a secure account linking service, and not every regional bank, credit union, or digital banking platform is supported. If your bank isn't currently compatible, trying the same connection repeatedly won't solve the problem. If your bank has worked with Brigit before, close the app and open it again before reconnecting your account. Temporary connection issues between Brigit and your bank can trigger a support error even when nothing has changed on your end. Next, verify your online banking credentials. Use the exact username and password you normally use to sign in through your bank's official website or mobile app. If you've recently changed your password, update it during the linking process. Outdated credentials often cause connection failures. Now check your bank directly. Log in through your bank's website or mobile app. If you're prompted to complete two-factor authentication, approve a security notification, or verify a new device, finish those steps first. Banks sometimes block third-party access until those security checks are complete. If the account was previously linked, remove the existing bank connection inside Brigit if the option is available, then add the account again from the beginning. A fresh authorization can replace an expired connection that Brigit can no longer access. You should also update the Brigit app to the latest version from your device's app store. App updates frequently improve bank integrations and resolve known connection bugs. If your phone has a pending operating system update, install that as well before testing again. Don't overlook your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then retrade a connection. An unstable network can interrupt the secure authorization process before it finishes. If the error continues after completing every step, contact Brigit support to confirm whether your bank is currently supported or whether there's a temporary issue affecting bank connections. You can also ask your bank whether they allow secure connections with third-party financial apps, and whether any recent security changes could be blocking access. To summarize, verify your bank is supported, confirm your online banking credentials, complete any required security verification, update the app, and reconnect your account from scratch. Those steps resolve most bank connection problems in Brigit. If this guide helped you fix the bank not supported error, like the video and subscribe for more Brigit troubleshooting guides and financial app tips.